Hello everyone. I have been wanting to do this for a while and I don't know how well it's gonna work. I don't have any camera equipment or even a tripod, so I rigged up something using the edge of my bed and the floor to hold my camera so that I can film my Animal Crossing. Now, my island is nowhere near done, and I don't think it ever will be, but it is my birthday today, so I wanted to film the birthday celebrations. I did this for the first time last year. Like, for some reason or another, I was hoping to be able to change my clothes first before I went anywhere. Oh well. I did it for the first time last year. Oh man, it has to be at that villager's house. I despise Pink, and I've been trying to give her things to change her furniture. I know that you can do that now, but I don't do the happy home stuff often enough. I'm not there yet. Well, it is what it is. So, we're at her house, but I hate Pink. Anyways, I did this for the first time last year because there's always something else to do on your birthday and such that you don't get to play. But I thought it was kind of cute and fun that they have like a little surprise birthday party for you. You can like blow out the candles. So cute. Woohoo! Cute little birthday celebration. I've never actually gamed and talked about what I'm doing before, so this is like a first time for everything for me here. That even sounded stupid. I'm just critiquing myself left and right here today. And you kind of just have to go with it because you can't redo your birthday celebration there. Oh, that's cute. So they got me a piñata. They made it just for me. So I have to hit the piñata. I should have put on a birthday outfit yesterday. I bought one that I wanted to wear for today. Let's see. Do I have to hold it? Oh, a party wall. No. I thought they gave me the stick. What do I do? I forgot from last year. Guess I'll talk to people for a second. This is gonna be so great. Well, I don't know what I did with the stick. Oh, okay. Here we go. You gotta smack it, they're saying. Ready, set, go. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Trying to record, I told you that.
Oh, sorry. Tantian's playing this game. And
Don't sit on my bed.
And he thought that he saw these rats without tails. Look closer. They weren't rats. They were skulls. Why did he think they were rats?
I don't know.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hi, Chubby.
Madison, leave your brother alone. Let him do his stuff and you do yours, please.
He's not doing his stuff. Yes, I am.
It's a timed thing.
does. He needs to do nothing else. Memphis, you need to do nothing else but the computer